Tire puncture? Battery dead? Service overdue? We are Automotive365, the workshop come to you. We come to you at your condo or office. Car service shouldn't disrupt your life. There's a smarter way. We come to you right at your home. Car care made easy. AutoMove365 is a mobile workshop network designed for every car driver. We bring professional vehicle servicing directly to your location, so you don't have to deal with queues, delays, or wasted time. From tire changes to routine maintenance, everything is handled by our skilled and experienced technical specialists. You can continue your daily routine, cooking dinner at home, spending time with family, while AutoMove365 takes care of your car. We come to you wherever you are. A smarter, more convenient way to care for your car. Car care that fits your lifestyle. The workshop come to you. We are Automove365. The workshop comes to you, your location, our destination.